Hello, everyone, and welcome to this knowledge clip on the difference between inclusive and exclusive disjunction in logic. When we were discussing the union of two sets, we briefly mentioned the connection to the inclusive OR operator in logic. But what does this exactly mean? Let's explore this in detail. In logic, a disjunction is a compound statement formed by combining two statements with the word OR. However, there are two types of disjunction, inclusive and exclusive, each with their own symbol as shown on this slide. The first type is inclusive disjunction. This means that at least one of the two statements must be true, but both can also be true. Mathematically, this can be expressed with the truth table on this slide. A truth table is a way to represent all possible values of logical statements. The first two columns represent the possible truth values of A and B. The last column shows the result of applying the inclusive OR operator. As we can see, the result is true whenever at least one of the statements is true. Now let's consider exclusive disjunction represented by the truth table on this slide. As you can see, the result is true whenever A is true or B is true. However, and this is how it differs from inclusive disjunction, the result is not true if both A and B are true. Do note that in everyday life, we often use the word OR in this sense. We are referring to the exclusive OR operator, rather than the inclusive version. Consider, for example, the statement, I haven't fully decided yet, but I do know that my next car will be a Tesla or a BMW. It's very unlikely that the person making this statement actually considers the option of buying both. That's the key difference between inclusive and exclusive disjunction. Understanding this disjunction is crucial in logic, computer science, and everyday reasoning. Thank you for watching and see you next time.